Imagine walking into a room and you can literally feel the mood lift. Not because you said something clever yet, just because you showed up with good energy. That's what I call being a beacon of positivity. It's not fake happy. It's not ignoring reality. It's choosing hope, presence, and solutions, especially when life gets messy. A lighthouse doesn't stop the storm. It simply shines so others can find their way. Here's the truth. Emotions are contagious. We mirror tone, facial expressions, even breathing. So when I carry calm, kindness, and optimism, I'm silently giving others permission to do the same. That's influence without a podium. How do I actually radiate positivity? Words, actions, mindset. Greet people like you're happy to see them, because you are. Compliment out loud when you notice something good. Acknowledge problems, then steer towards solutions. All right, it's tough, but here's what we can try. Hold the door. Send a quick voice note. Bring someone a coffee. Kindness is a signal flare that says, good exists. I practice optimistic realism. I don't deny the storm. I decide who I'll be in it. I look for the lesson, the next step, the inch of progress. Quick stories. A woman pays for the car behind her at a drive-thru. Hours later, 378 people in a row keep it going. One spark, hundreds warmed. Nick Vujicic, born without limbs, chooses humor, gratitude, courage. He can't hug with arms, so he hugs with words. Millions feel it. Dolly Parton, joy, generosity, books for kids, vaccine funds, proof that warmth scales. Want to embody this daily? Try these 5 simple practices. 1. Morning gratitude. Name 3 things before your phone names you. 1. Affirmations. I radiate positivity wherever I go. I handle what comes with calm and courage. Say it like you mean it. 1. Daily kindness. 1 useful deed. No fanfare required. 1. Positivity breaks. 60 seconds to breathe, smile, and reset your lens. 1. Evening wins. Jot 3 bright spots or lessons. End the day with light. Remember, your energy is powerful. 1 candle lights many without losing its flame. Positivity is a practice. Some days it flows. Some days it's reps. Keep showing up. Be genuine. Hope doesn't require a mask. Name the hard, choose the helpful. If you've done the work to steady your emotions, this is the next level. Let your steadiness shine. Walk into rooms as the calm in the storm, the laugh in the silence, the hand that helps. Be the person who says, we'll figure it out, and means it. Today, set one intention. Wherever I go, I leave it lighter than I found it. Smile first, speak life, do the small thing, and watch the room, your world, shift. If this sparked something in you, like comment with your favorite takeaway, and subscribe for the next chapter. Keep shining. Your light travels farther than you think.